Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Crane. In this video, I guess what I'm trying to do in this video is one of the questions came up was, what do I need to buy if I want this pellet hopper pellet hopper vibrator. So let's say you have Muxall Pro barbecue controller. What you need is this kit, okay? And this wire, when I get them made, will actually be yellow. All right, and this wire will be white, and it comes with a wire nut, and it comes with the ends already tinned, and it comes with this connector installed. Not much to it. It's pretty cheap. I forget what it is, about $9 with free shipping. Yeah, and as far as soldering this guy on, it's really not too bad. I don't know if you guys can actually see what I'm doing there. Let me zoom in a bit. Get this guy out of the way. Yeah, this is Sean's controller. You'll be surprised to see this video, I'm sure. So yeah, you kind of have to, so there's conformal coating on these controllers. You kind of have to scrape the conformal coating off on the top there. It comes off pretty easily. And if you don't know, the conformal coatings, that shiny stuff on here, that kind of waterproofs doesn't waterproof the controller, but it makes it very water tolerant. You can't douse it with water. That won't work. But like when spiders and dirt and stuff get on there, the conformal coating helps to prevent those critters and dirt and stuff from shorting it out. Because since this is a barbecue controller, it's outside all the time, right? Okay, so I cleaned it off the top. You got to get something real small and kind of clean off inside this. This is called a plated through hole. All right, and if you have them, you can get some. I'll call swabs. Kind of swab this guy, and a little bit of canned air, and kind of blow it out. And you probably don't need liquid flux because most of the solder, is kind of rosin core solder. It has in other words, it has flux built in. You need to make sure you get electronics grade solder. Don't use any automotive or plumbing solder. But I'm going to go ahead and put some flux on there. This is a no clean flux. It's non-corrosive. And you don't have to clean it off. All right. And so you just kind of pop this guy in there like that. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing there. I'm looking at, I have a TV behind on the side of me over there so I can see what's going on. And I'm just gonna solder this guy real quick. I don't know, can you see what I'm doing? Hopefully. Come on, baby. There we go. And you gotta carefully slide it down there. Alright. Okay. So it's in there pretty good. That's a little bit crooked. Alright, I'm going to straighten this thing out a little bit. I don't want it so crooked. Oops. Oh, there we go. There we go. And like I said, when you get this, when you get the proper ones, it will be yellow wire. And if you order before I have time to get my wires made and shipped from China, You know, these little kit upgrade kit thingies. It'll probably come with like Teflon wire or something. Maybe I can source this locally. I'll look around. Let's see. Oh, and the last thing you want to do is, you see how much wire is sticking through? It's getting real close to that ESP32 in there. You guys see that? You see right there? You want to make sure to clip that off. And don't drop it into the controller like I just did. And if you do, make sure you get it out. I did right here. It's right here. Anyway, yeah, so you want to make sure to clip that off so it doesn't, you don't want it near this ESP32 pins up there. And, okay, let me back you guys off a little more here so you can see what's going on. And the last step is pretty simple, actually. You just come in here and we're going to tie into this common right there. So I'm going to just clip this guy right there. And take my wire strippers. Now, if you order it from me, I'm not going to use a wire nut like I'm fixing to show you guys. But if you get the kit, you can just use this wire nut. There's nothing wrong with them, but I will probably, what I'll probably do when I upgrade it, in fact I know I will, is I'll tie these guys together, I'll solder them together and put some heat shrink on there. But if you're doing this, you can just twist these wires together. Yeah, like so. Alright, get this old wire nut, throw it on here, and these wire nuts are good. I use them in house wiring all the time. And make sure to give all the wires a good little tug, make sure they're nice and tight. And there you have it. I mean, if you really want to get anal, you can put a little tie strap around there, and you're done. That's pretty simple, huh? So yeah, I don't know how long that took me. Probably less. Well, like I said, I'm not gonna use the wire nut on it. If you order it from me, it'll have heat shrink on it. It'll look more like that down there. And Sean should appreciate this. And I'll probably clip that off and put another tie strap on there for him. And that's it. So, whoa. So that, I believe, is it. We've kind of covered everything, what to buy, what to expect, and how to do it. So there you have it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them under the video in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store. Details and links are in the description under this video. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, that helps, and hit the subscribe button, that really helps. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.